Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you had a great weekend. So I just had about 5 boxes delivered, 4 of which I opened on my channel, and I just put up a poll asking what you would like to see first, and it's pretty close. So I think I'm going to film 2 videos in a row and then check the poll results, and hopefully one of those are still on the top. But the first one that is definitely winning right now by like 41% is the Apollo box. So I believe this is the Apollo jewelry box. This was sent to me free for review. I am super excited to see what is in here. But before we get started, I just want to remind you that in just 2 days I have a giveaway ending. Well, I believe 2 days, depending on when this video goes up. My giveaway is ending March 20th. So the giveaway is to win one of the Riviera palette, the ABH Riviera palette. So I will leave a link down in the description box to my giveaway video so you can learn how to enter there and all of that. And yeah, let's get unboxing. So I pulled up the website so I can tell you a little bit more about this box. So it says what to expect. Unique jewelry pieces tailored to your style and taste, delivered to your doorstep once a month or quarter. Enjoy free shipping and flexible subscription plans. So it says, why Apollo jewelry box? Discover and collect trendy jewelry tailored to you. Be among the first to own the latest one-of-a-kind designs from all over the world. Let us be your personal stylist. Receive jewelry that you actually want to show off. We only give you pieces that brighten your life. You're guaranteed to enjoy each hand-picked item, and you can save up to 40% off retail price. So you get the hottest jewelry at the best price. And I do see that Ebates is active on their site. You can save 4%. So after I open all of this and you guys are interested and you have Ebates, you should definitely take advantage of that. If you don't have Ebates, I always leave my link down in the description box. Usually don't try and plug that into my videos, but I do have that, so it's a great way to get cash back on shopping online. But anyway, so when you sign up for this box, you take a survey, so that is how they customize the box. So I filled out the survey. I said what I like, what type of jewelry, what colors, all of that. So that is what you will do when you subscribe, and then they customize the box totally to your preferences, and then they ship it to you, and it is a surprise. So let's get unboxing. One thing I like about this subscription is that they have an option to either be monthly or quarterly. So plans start at $30 per month, so it could be either $30 monthly or $30 quarterly. And then they also have a $50 plan monthly or quarterly too. So there's 4 different options depending on how often you want to receive your jewelry. So when I open it, I see a box like this, cutely wrapped, and there's something else in here. Here, so there is a card. Let me open this up. It says, Dear Kitty, thank you for unboxing our Apollo surprise box. We hope you enjoy the products as much as we enjoy picking them out. And then it tells you all about the items and the pricing and how much you save and all of that. So I will keep this nearby for reference, but this is what it looks like. And then underneath here, this is funny. We will open this first just because it is out of the box. This is hilarious. I feel like this is totally customized to me. This is a cosmetic bag that looks like cat food. Like, look at the top. And then on it says Osakana Daisuki, new 100% fish. There's like a little cat in there. This is so funny, and it even gives it really does look like a container of cat food. That's hilarious. Inside there's some packaging. Let me take that out. Hey, Emmy, do you want something to play with? You know, she's always nearby. So this is what it looks like on the inside, and there are little pockets. This is so funny. Like, you can store things like on the side or in the center. This would be good like if you have round palettes to travel with. But this is so unique. Like, where could you find this? Like cat ladies like me would love this type of thing. Let's read about it. So this is the cat food tin cosmetic bag, and this has a retail value of $16.99. So again, this is what it looks like. There's the top. It looks like a tin can. That's funny. I think any cat lady would love getting that. Okay, but then there is this box where the rest of the items come from, so this is cutely wrapped. And there are some cards on top that tell you about all of the items, and one of them does talk about the cat cosmetic case, so let me read about it. So it says, cat food tin cosmetic bag, meow worthy. This kitschy cute cat food tin cosmetic bag is a perfect companion for all of your everyday essentials. And it looks like it could come in several different colors. So if you guys subscribe to this, you won't get the same exact things as me because this is customized to your liking. Like, they know I like cats, and you could put in other things you like. There's just the survey you'll take, so just so you know. And then underneath the cards, it is wrapped up. All right, and the first thing I see looks like it's either a bracelet or a necklace. I like these types of cases to hold jewelry. Like, I've gotten this before and I saved it because it's really good for travel and it doesn't really get all tangled and everything. Let's take this out. See, you just put the jewelry in and close it, and it's like this little, like, thin, I don't even know what you would call it, but it holds jewelry really well without damaging it. This looks like, I'm not sure what that design is, but it's pretty. Maybe if I put my hand up, you'll be able to see it a little better. Here, let me see. You can see it on this piece of paper better. So this is the Thea Van Gogh enamel bracelet. Oh yeah, it does look like Van Gogh's painting, Starry, Starry Night. It says, hold fast to your dreams. The Thea Van Gogh enamel bracelet showcases a dreamy starry night scene, complete with silver cypress trees, swirly winds, and a golden crescent moon and stars. So you could see it better than my shaky hands holding it up there, but this is pretty. So this is just like a little clasp bracelet. Let's see if I can like hold it up better for you guys. It is really cute. And it is a little bit adjustable since it is a clasp, and there's several different little hoops to clasp it on, so that's good too. So let's see what the price is of this. This is $22.99. Wow, that seems pretty expensive, but this is beautiful. I love it. Now that I realize that it's Van Gogh, that is so cute and unique. I've said unique multiple times. I rarely use that word, but that like seriously is what the Apollo box is like. They have other subscription box too, like not just the jewelry surprise box, just like a surprise box, and you can get other different things. So if, I'll leave their link down below so you can explore their site if you want to. Anyways, we have one more thing. And it looks like they include a little cloth in here that helps clean jewelry. And this one has something on the box that says free title originally designed. Sorry, I just had a cough attack. I'll probably edit that out. Oh man, these are cute. These are cat themed too. So these are earrings. And this is by Free Title, original design. So there's a piece of paper that comes inside there. And then here is one of the earrings. Let me take it out because I know plastic makes it harder to see. But each of the earrings they're dangly and they're packaged separately. Ooh, I love how this looks. So it's a cat, and then the stone, and then a star. But the material the cat is made out of is beautiful. It's like this green stone. I'm trying to make it easier for you guys to see. Let me show you the other one. I think the other one's a different color. Yeah, the other one doesn't match exactly, but I kind of like that. It's like more of a brown color and a different stone. I hope this is capturing well on camera how beautiful the material is. But these are funny, these are cute. I have earrings on now, but I will wear these in an upcoming video. So, like I said, not everyone will get these. This is definitely customized for me because I love cats. But I think this is so cute. This seriously like looks like great material. Let's see what it says about these. So it says, resin kitty earrings. Here a kitty, there a kitty. Our eye-catching asymmetric resin kitty danglers are ready for a day of frolicking. Shimmering resin kitty, swirled glass beads, and a luminous Swarovski crystal comes together to make this perfect set. Cool, I could tell that was made of something good. Swarovski. Why do I always have trouble saying that word? But anyways, these are $26.99. Wow, I bet that crystal and that like resin in the glass kind of make it go up. So the total for all three of these pieces or products were $66.97, and they sent me the $30 subscription. And then with shipping, it says $4.99. So I saved $31.98. So that's awesome. So there is the numbers right there. So you definitely get more than you pay for, like double. Awesome. I'm trying to think what I like the most in this. Like, I think this is just comical and cute. Like, I can't get over it. It really does look like cat food. But I think, I don't know, I like the bracelet and the earrings. Realistically, I'll probably wear the bracelet the most. I feel like these cat earrings will be perfect for videos and like certain days because they are gorgeous. Like the material, like I said, just looks really pretty. So I'll probably wear these in tomorrow's video or the video soon, depending on when I'm filming. I don't know when these videos are posting and all of that. But I'm definitely going to keep these right here so I can wear them soon. But I like love how this has Van Gogh. All these pieces just are so different. You never, like these aren't things you just like find at any store or you know, so that's what I like about this. It is definitely like unique, fun pieces catered to your personality and like what you like, your preferences. So if you are interested, I will definitely leave the link below. But before we go, don't want to forget to tell you what is on my eyes. So if you are new here, I am trying out the Riviera palette. I bought one for myself, and then I also have a brand new one for the giveaway. And I'm using mine to kind of play around with it and do new looks and show you guys about the palette and give you my thoughts. And so far I am loving it. This is what the palette looks like. So I had some requests to use the blue, and I actually had wanted to because I've used that the least. So today I used Coastline in my crease, and then I also used Monte Carlo to deepen the crease. And then I used Bahamas in my outer corner, this bright pink. And then in the inner corner I used Seychelles, this blue color. And I think it looks really pretty. And the part where it overlaps with Bahamas, the hot pink, it looks a little bit purpley. So it's like blue, purple shift. And I just think it's really fun. Like, so it's not like a bright blue, especially with the pink nearby, but I like it. I think all of these colors work really well together. So yeah, definitely enter if you have not yet because this palette is awesome. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you guys. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.